Okay, I want to do a video on this Otterbox case, and I got this a few years back, and this is an iPhone 8 Plus. Yeah, still hanging on to something older, but it's working for me so far. But look how this is coming apart. This broke, and yeah, I mean, it's relatively still kind of intact. But I figured, okay, time to get a new one. Then I thought, wait a second, there's a warranty, there's lifetime warranty on this. So let me see if I can get Otterbox to send me a new one. So here's what I did. Okay, so first place I go to is the Otterbox website, and want to look for warranty. So I scroll all the way down to the bottom, and as you see over here, warranty and lifetime warranty, which is pretty cool. So I clicked get started, and they ask you where'd you buy the product. I got it from Amazon, so I'm going to click online retailer. And then, of course, Amazon, and then next step, and then I'm going for the product finder. Looks like the easiest way. And then case, right? Click on the case. I have an Apple iPhone, and let's click on it again. And I have the 8 Plus, so let's find out right here. And then I had the Symmetry series. So black right here, and then they ask for the purchase date, description, whatever, blah blah blah. So I remember I got it from Amazon, and so I looked it up. My order history, just put in Otter. It shows my order right here, and it let me click on that. And let's see, delivery purchase July 10, 2016. So there we go. And I guess if you don't have the exact date, maybe you can make it up. Okay, get the date. July 10th, 2016. Broken. And then view cart, check out. So basically you're not paying for the case, but you're going to pay for shipping and handling. So far looks good. So I went through the whole process to see if they would really send me a replacement case, and guess what? So here we go. About, maybe 5-6 days later, I get this package in the mail. And, yeah. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got in here without destroying the object. Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. I never used it. Just a little clip that you can put onto your belt and then clip your phone in. But look at that, brand new case. And wow, very cool. Now this has the screen protector too, but I don't like using it. I might cut it out. But nevertheless, they sent me a brand new case, Otter. So it looks like if you are an Otter fan and you have a case that's broken, just pay shipping and tax, and they will send you a brand new case. At least they did for me. So if you're in this position, good luck. You'll probably make out pretty well. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, thumbs up would be really cool, and a subscribe maybe. Take care.